Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is day number 85. No, I don't know, 84 or 85 of trading futures every day until I become profitable. Like the title says, this is probably the most mentally draining day of my journey so far, and I didn't even lose any money today because I didn't take a single trade. I was on the charts for literally 6 hours with a 30-minute lunch break stuffed in there somewhere. And there was one trade I'm going to show you which I should have definitely taken, which would have won, would have been a beautiful trade. Plus, I missed multiple winning trades because of my new rules with the IFVG size, right? That was more towards the start of the day, but I'm going to continue following them because I do think they'll improve my win rate over time. There was also some 30-second setups that would have won as well, but I'm still not going to be taking 30 seconds just yet. Just too fast-paced, too many. I don't have confidence with them yet. I haven't back-tested them. But probably most frustrating is all the trades that were really close to being valid. Like, I'll show you one trade that closed right above the fair value gap that I wanted to see delivery from, so it didn't count as a delivery, so then it wasn't valid. That kind of thing happened a few times, and it ended up playing out at least to a partial for I think all of them, honestly. Just so many close calls today. I think the horrible PA was probably due to being at all-time highs right now on NQ, which is a little weird to trade for a lot of people. So it's going to be a short video today. Anyways, let's get into the trades and stuff for today. I'll show you guys. So this first one here that I'm going to show you is actually the valid trade that I should have taken. And there was actually a 2-minute here as well, but I can't show you the 2-minute because I don't have that on TradingView. So this is at 10:19. We swept liquidity, delivering from a 1 and 3-minute fair value gap down here. Perfectly delivered off of it. We inversed the 2-minute fair value gap, and the fair value gap was over 4 points. So this met all my criteria. And I said the only reason I didn't take this was because of the equal lows that were pretty far below. And they were like down lower, like a nice bit lower. And these trades I wrote are still worth taking. Like, look how close the break-even point would have been, literally right here at this high. Right here. I believe it doesn't look like it, but I thought maybe it did. Yeah, it left equal highs right here. So would have stayed in this trade most likely because there's equal highs left, and set this as my new break-even point. So if I had done that, which I'm almost certain I would have done, then it would have worked out. So I should have taken this trade. At very worst, it would have been a break-even. Moving on. We had this trade here, which is the clip you guys just watched. So first I said break-even trade, and then I said could have decided to stay in the trade until equal lows are taken out. So yeah, there was triple equal lows formed before it went up here. And if you had confidence in this trade, conviction, then you would have waited through this. But as you can see here, I didn't take this trade because we didn't deliver from any fair value gaps. See, we had this 1 minute here, but this one candle closed above. And according to my rules, which are just straightforward and easy for me to follow, I'm not taking this because we don't have all the confluences met, because we're not delivering from this anymore because we actually kind of inversed it. So if we closed inside, I would have taken this trade. And again, at the very worst, it would have been a break even, but it went on to reach 3R here at my target. Actually, it went beyond. It went to like over 6R, but yeah, it's a bit unfortunate. I'll just quickly show you guys some things here on TradingView. So right here at 9:16 this morning, we inversed this fair value gap. Huge dump, and we had LRL below, but the only reason I didn't take this was because this fair value gap was too small, right? So with my old rules from about 2 weeks ago, I would have taken this, and it's still, I think, a 66% win rate or so, but I want to take the highest quality trade, so I'm leaving these out. And something similar happened here with this trade. The fair value gap was just a little bit too small here. Valid trade otherwise, and it worked out at least to a 1-to-1 partial. This one would have been a crazy RR, I think over 5 or something, maybe even more. This is the one I showed you guys at the start. Another short opportunity here, almost, because if we were delivering from this fair value gap, it would have been valid, but unfortunately we weren't. So close call, but beautiful V-shaped recovery, and it just dropped to like 4R or something crazy here. So a lot of those things happening all day, and I just got to sit through this garbage price action. It's difficult. Here's my journal for today. Nothing's changed since yesterday, obviously, no trades. And this is my calendar. I put it as a green day, didn't break any rules, but I should have taken that one trade. Yeah, so all day I literally thought this was Thursday until I looked at my journal at the end of my session. And I was planning on hitting arms today, but I hit arms on Thursday, so I'm kind of happy about that because that means I have 2 more days this week to trade, and also Thursday has the best win rate for me in backtesting. Tomorrow we'll see if that changes due to being at all-time highs right now, but that's pretty much it for today. Hopefully I'll see you guys again tomorrow for day number 86 of trading futures every day until I become profitable, and have a good night, everybody.